G'day and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups, proudly sponsored by Minisport. On this episode, we are talking about the timing chain tensioner available for A+ engines from Minisport. So this comes as 3 individual components. We have the pin that secures the tensioner pad to the housing. We have the tensioner pad, which is just here, and also the backing plate as well. Now, this is something that you do need to set up rather well when you do a timing chain setup. Essentially, like any tensioner, it is to take the slack out of the chain or belt, whatever it is that it's driving. Now, why is that important? Because essentially too much slop means that you're going to be losing horsepower. It has a potential to slip teeth. It's going to jump. It's going to cause issues. It's potentially going to destroy the engine. So if this shows any signs of wear, you can generally just replace the pad just here. Depending how much is damaged, you can probably even replace the backing plate and even the pin. The pin is only ever going to just sit in there. It's never going to move, but if you're going to be replacing one item for the cost of it, you might as well replace all 3. So as I said, this is only available on an A+ engine. They did not have this on an A series engine, the previous one, simply because they didn't find that it needed it. Some of them do have this. A really good way to tell if yours has this fitted or not without even pulling it apart is to have a look at the timing case. Now, if you're unsure whether your vehicle has this just by looking at the engine, a really easy way is to look at the timing cover. A standard timing cover looks like a bit of an oval, whereas an A+ timing cover has a step at the bottom. So they are 2 different ones. Therefore, the timing cover at the front and the timing plate at the back need to be matched in unison. You can't mix and match each one because they do have a different setup. So depending if your vehicle has this or not, if you're doing any sort of engine work and you're unsure whether this needs to be replaced or not, you're better off just throwing it over your shoulder, getting a new one, installing it, knowing that it's right, tensioning it up, and away you go. They're pretty easy to do. You don't need to apply a great deal of tension, just enough to be able to take the slack out of it. So if you're unsure whether your vehicle has it or not, get in contact with the guys from Minisport at www.minisport.com.au, check out their full range, give them a call and have a chat about the parts for your car. While you're there, make sure you check out their merchandise as well. They have hats, hoodies and t-shirts available for sale. Catch you on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.